today we're doing a home inspection, brand new home inspection. So they're a little different than our regular building inspections, but I wanted to show you one of the things that a lot of our people complain about, and that would be, and actually it's a well-placed complaint, and that's scratch countertops. Why? Because this is brand new, it's like a brand new car. So you want to make sure that it's not scratched. How can you tell? Well, this has not been final cleaned, so you know that's makes it a little bit tougher. But you take your flashlight and and just kind of go over it like this, so as that you can try to pick up any kind of imperfections or scratches in it. This is one way of doing it. The other, and also I'd highly, and this after it's final cleaned, and you go across it with your hands, see if you can feel anything. And that'll help you with catch any kind of blemishes or any kind of chips or anything. But when you see this here metal laying on top of your cabinets like this, your countertop, that's a good sign that there could be scratches. These should not be left like that. You know, these are sharp instruments, so you know, you see our corners are sharp. Gently put down and taken care of, they could cause trouble. So anyway, these are how you would check for all your marble. Marble is this is synthetic marble, man-made product, so it's not as hard as your regular marble would be. And so anyway, I think that this is very helpful for you when you're trying to do your final inspection, when it's all final cleaned. I hope this has been enjoyable. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services, where we do new construction, 1-year walkthroughs, and of course residential and commercial on all types of inspections. Thank you folks for watching our videos. Galloway Building Services.